The use of herbs and spices has been incredibly important throughout history. Many were celebrated for their medicinal properties, well before culinary use. Modern science has now shown that many of them do indeed carry remarkable health benefits. Here are 5 spices that you need to include in your diet in order to maintain and boost your health quotient. 1. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is a popular spice, found in all sorts of recipes and baked goods. But did you know it lowers blood sugar levels and has a powerful anti-diabetic effect? It contains a compound called cinnamaldehyde, which is responsible for cinnamon's medicinal properties. It has potent antioxidant activity, helps fight inflammation and has been proven to lower cholesterol and triglycerides in the blood. But where cinnamon really shines is in its effects on blood sugar levels. Cinnamon can lower blood sugar by several mechanisms, including by slowing the breakdown of carbohydrates in the digestive tract and improving insulin sensitivity. Studies have shown that cinnamon can lower fasting blood sugars by 10 to 29% in diabetic patients, which is a significant amount. The effective dose is typically 0.5 to 2 teaspoons or 1 to 6 grams of cinnamon per day. 2. Peppermint. Peppermint has a long history of use in folk medicine and aromatherapy. Like many herbs, it is the oily component that contains the agents responsible for the health effects. Many studies have shown that peppermint oil can improve pain management in irritable bowel syndrome, or IBS. It appears to work by relaxing the smooth muscles in the colon, which relieves pain experienced during bowel movements. It also helps to reduce abdominal bloating, which is a common digestive symptom. There are also some studies showing that peppermint in aromatherapy can help fight nausea. In a study of over 1,100 women in labor, peppermint aromatherapy caused significant reductions in nausea. It has also been proven to reduce nausea after surgery and C-section births. 3. Sage. Sage gets its name from the Latin word salvare, which means to save. It had a strong reputation for its healing properties during the Middle Ages, and was even used to help prevent the plague. Studies indicate that sage may be able to improve brain function and memory, especially in people with Alzheimer's disease. Alzheimer's disease is accompanied by a drop in the level of acetylcholine, a chemical messenger in the brain. Sage inhibits the breakdown of acetylcholine. In a 4-month study of 42 individuals with mild to moderate Alzheimer's disease, sage extract was shown to produce significant improvements in brain function. Other researches have also shown that sage can improve memory function in healthy people, both young and old. 4. Turmeric. Turmeric is the spice that gives curry its yellow color. It contains several compounds with medicinal properties, the most important of which is curcumin. Curcumin is a remarkably powerful antioxidant, helping to fight oxidative damage and boosting the body's own antioxidant enzymes. This is important, because oxidative damage is believed to be one of the key mechanisms behind aging and many diseases. Studies suggest that it can improve brain function, fight Alzheimer's, reduce the risk of heart disease and cancer, and relieve arthritis. 5. Cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper is a type of chili pepper used to prepare spicy dishes. The active ingredient in it is called capsaicin, which has been shown to reduce appetite and increase fat burning. For this reason, it is a common ingredient in many commercial weight loss supplements. A study found that adding 1 gram of red pepper to meals reduced appetite and increased fat burning in people who did not regularly eat peppers. Some animal studies have also found capsaicin to combat certain forms of cancer, including lung, liver and prostate cancer. These are the top 5 spices that you can incorporate into your meals to create a happier and healthier tomorrow.